say thank you, everyone. I want to introduce you Osvaldo Sepúlveda. He's a service guy, and he will talk about a few minutes to you.
Right now in Chihuahua, it's kind of going up, so we are focusing to have more people over here. So now we have one guy, but also we have three guys in Chihuahua supporting the Fuji system. I want to say thank you for staying here for us. This is a very good time for us here in Ciudad Juárez, so we're very excited for that. We will receive a message for Tom C., which is the Vice President for Fuji.
Yes, thank you everybody for coming. This relationship along with PAC and having the facility is going to help us, but we know what it takes to compete in Juarez. So this is just the first step of many that we're going to take here. So I'd like to turn it over to Yoshimi-san, who's the president of Fuji America.
Hi, I'm Yoshimi from Fuji America. Thank you for coming today. And also from tomorrow or even from this evening, please talk to your staff, your boss, your friends, even to your families, kids, wife, that Fuji is in Juarez.